Welcome to Guangzhou Kali Bags Factory. Choosing a reliable backpack manufacturer is key to your brand's success. With 16 years of bag experience and advanced technology, we offer OEM and ODM backpack customization services to meet the needs of clients worldwide. Our backpacks are designed for students of all ages, from kindergarten to university, available in various sizes, patterns, and designs to make your brand stand out. We provide free 3D design services, and with 10 advanced production lines, we can produce over 230,000 custom backpacks each month, ensuring timely delivery. Our factory is ISO 9001, BSCI, and CDEX certified, ensuring top quality standards. Our products are exported globally, including Europe, North America, the Middle East, and South America. And we've built lasting relationships with top global brands. We actively participate in trade shows like the Canton Fair to expand our market reach. Clients can customize backpacks online or visit our factory to see the production process firsthand. Sustainability is a priority for us, using rPET and recycled materials to reduce environmental impact. With a flexible approach and a minimum order of just 300 units, we cater to global customers' diverse needs, ensuring every product meets international standards. A dedicated customer manager will assist you throughout the process, from design to delivery. Contact us today to start your backpack.